Okay, with this question you have to identify first of all how many waves we have. Remember that period is the time for one wave. So it's saying how many periods do we have on our trace. Well, if you look at the trace you can see we have one wave, two waves, three complete waves. So the answer is 3. What is the frequency of the sound wave? Well, remember that the frequency equals 1 over the time period. But it's the time period for one wave. So if you go back to the diagram, what you want is how long, what's the time for one wave? Okay, here. Well, if you look down here, it tells you that in the x direction, 1 square is 0.002 seconds, and we have 2 squares for one wave. Therefore, the time period is 0.002. So the frequency is 1 over 0.002. Okay, and that gets you 500 hertz. Okay, with this second one, it's saying sketch a trace of sound wave with a small amplitude and a high frequency. Well, small amplitude means that the wave is not as tall, so it's got to be a shorter wave, and a high frequency means more waves per second. So basically more frequent, more waves with smaller amplitude. So we can draw something like that.